Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday. It's today actually Sunday. Saturday, March the 23rd. Sunday, March the 24th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saifa block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me to solve all the puzzles. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one I will do is a 3-star Sudoku. Well, lately the publisher has a wrong indication for the 3 stars puzzle. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and this time also wrong indication because this one has 28 printed digits. By the way, this one is number 8243. 8243. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 28. 3 printed digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes. It's indicated with 3 stars. Then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number can I pick. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between second column. Now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit 1, number 5. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about one. Need one here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left for 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Well. Need a 7 here. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2. 2. Need a 7 here. Need 6 here. Need 1, 6. Need a 2 here. You need to find those numbers. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. We have a 4 here and a 1 there. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and a 3. Alright. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left of 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and the 6. 2, 3, and the 6, okay. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the middle column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2. Well. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 4 in this row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. We have a pair, the 1 and a 4 in this column, the 1 and a 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 8 goes there. 9, 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can. No! Last one. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. We have all 8, okay. How about, do we have all the ones? No. Need a 1 here, yeah. In the third column, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, need a 1 there. Cannot continue with 1. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes and there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. No, the 4, the 5. Almost made a mistake. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. No. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Okay. One box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the middle, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Then, how about the number 6 here? 6 there. 6 here. Okay. I need a 4 here. One box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, need a 3 there. Yeah. We have a pair, I believe. The 3 and the 6 in the third row, the 3 and the 6 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left on the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And nope, we missing here a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. How about a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, nope, here I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 6, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 14 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Maybe I talk too much. Anyway, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. No, I'm faster than 50 minutes, not 14 or 30 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.